Today, we have an electrifying topic to discuss that not only shapes our future but also plays a significant role in job creation: electric vehicles and job creation in the clean energy sector. Electric vehicles have been making headlines for their environmental benefits, but they also have the potential to transform the job market. In this video, we will explore how the electric vehicle industry is generating employment opportunities and why it's crucial for the clean energy sector. Let's begin by looking at the incredible growth of electric vehicles. In recent years, we've witnessed a surge in EV sales, thanks to advances in battery technology, government incentives, and increasing environmental awareness. As more people make the switch to electric vehicles, it's clear that the EV market is booming. But how does this translate into job creation? One of the most significant areas of job creation in the electric vehicle sector is manufacturing. EVs require specialized components like batteries, electric motors, and power electronics. EV manufacturers are establishing production plants worldwide, and this expansion demands a skilled workforce. From assembly line workers to engineers and technicians, job opportunities are abundant. Another crucial aspect is the development of charging infrastructure. As EV adoption grows, so does the need for charging stations. This infrastructure expansion opens up a wide range of jobs in construction, installation, maintenance, and customer service, helping to revitalize local economies. Electric vehicles go hand in hand with renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. The synergy between EVs and renewables creates a ripple effect of job creation. Solar and wind farms require technicians, engineers, and operators, while grid upgrades and battery storage development create additional employment opportunities. To remain competitive, the electric vehicle industry is constantly innovating. Research and development play a pivotal role in shaping the future of EVs. Talented scientists, engineers, and researchers are needed to develop cutting-edge technologies, from improving battery efficiency to advancing autonomous driving systems. It's important to note that government policies and incentives have a significant impact on job creation in the clean energy sector. Many governments around the world are offering tax credits, grants, and subsidies to encourage EV adoption and stimulate economic growth. In conclusion, the electric vehicle revolution isn't just about reducing emissions, it's also about creating jobs in the clean energy sector. As EVs become more prevalent, the ripple effect of job creation extends from manufacturing to charging infrastructure, renewable energy integration, R&D, and beyond. So, if you're considering a career change or want to contribute to a greener future, the electric vehicle industry may hold the key to your next job opportunity. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on clean energy and job opportunities.